Hello and welcome to today's video. We just walked to the Magic Kingdom. So it is 6:30. Got stuck in traffic. We're 0 for 3. We're trying to go to a party the same day. But we got here, we pulled into our resort at 5:45. We're at Magic Kingdom at 6:30. So we're here before the party starts. Our first plan of attack is to go get in line for Jack and Sally. That's Ryder's priority. We had hoped to get here earlier. Didn't work out that way, so let's hope the line isn't too bad.
So this is what it looks like at this point. The party is about to start.
Happy hauntings to you, my friend.
Go ahead, Ryder. Go.
Haunting it is to see you today. You all look like clones of each other, I must say. Very terrifying indeed.
Do you have your tree on yet?
No. But what are you waiting for? There's only 26 days left until Christmas time.
I have decorations.
Alright, well, where are they?
Look at her, look at her.
Right, well, New Year.
So we just walked out of Jack and Sally, and it's just 7:09. So it was a 35-minute wait. 35-minute wait.
So Elena of Avalor is right out, not a long line. Ryder doesn't want to see her, but if you have little ones that like her, really quick. Ryder, show your band. So this is the line for, I think it's the Gingerbread Men. Pretty long, but hopefully they're not out yet, but hopefully it moves pretty fast once they do come out.
So we're in line for the Gingerbread Man. Taking a little longer. There was one, and then they said he was gonna go get his friend, and now we're waiting. So taking a little longer than I thought. Okay, so they kind of fooled us because one came out, and I was like, oh, see, man, but then another one just came out. So there we go. We get two.
Okay. Go ahead, Ryder.
Goodbye, buddy. Woohoo! You want to touch the candy corn?
Hi!
Thank you.
Thank you.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas!
We've got the angels here. And the party has officially started and Ryder is already running off. So it is 7:22. We're walking into Tomorrowland. We are gonna go get some dinner at Cosmic Rays Starlight Cafe. And we got Stitch over here in his Hawaiian shirt. And the line for the little greeting card over there was really long, but this one's not too bad.
Food, but we're gonna get our first cookies too,
Which is a buttercream frosted sugar cookie tree shaped.
we're gonna get our hot chocolate and our cookies. So we're in Cosmic Rays. It has a regular menu in addition to the Christmas menu. We just got regular items, and you can do mobile order, which is great. It's also the Jingle Jam. So there's Timon just showed up, and there's going to be like Disney Junior characters here a little bit later. So, but it's pretty crazy in here. So Ray got the grilled chicken, Greek salad, and then Ryder got a burger. I ordered mine separate because I've always said if you have an allergy, do it in 2 separate transactions. Now we're headed. We just finished with Cosmic Rays. My gluten-free dinner took like 20 minutes. They were done by the time I got mine. But anyway, now we're headed to Space Mountain for our first attraction. It is 7:59.
Here we go for Space Mountain. It is 8:07.
So we were gonna go on Tomorrowland Speedway, but it's starting to rain, so we're gonna go to Storybook Circus. The wait for Tron is 50 minutes, so we're gonna wait a little bit and then come back. So we are at Santa. We made it to Storybook Circus. It started raining, like it actually raining pretty bad. So I'm standing in line, and Ray and Ryder are doing crafts. So they have crafts. So I'm standing in line for Ryder while they do crafts, which is good. And then we'll go do Tron. We were gonna do Tron, and then the line was like long, so we ran over here, and then it started raining. Weather.com or weather app really sucks because it said 0% chance of rain after 6 o'clock. not so much.
So Ryder's right there, Ray's right next to him, doing some crafts while we wait for Santa, which is great. The kids can do crafts while the parents wait. Really nice.
I want a Mac. Yes, a Mac computer.
A Mac computer, wow. Not just a computer, a Mac computer. For school work?
No, PCVR.
For school work?
So seeing Santa was not on our itinerary, but since it started raining, we needed somewhere to duck cover, and that's where we ended up. So line was about 40 minutes, but they had like little ornaments that they could decorate, and then they had candy canes and M&Ms to pass out when we were done. So it was worth it. He was happy, and now he's seen Santa, so I don't have to do one less thing I have to do this season. And it's 9 o'clock. I think the first parade is going on or finishing up. So we are going to go and ride Tron. The line has gone down a little bit. It was 50 minutes. Last I checked, it was 35. Hopefully it hasn't gone up by the time we get there.
I always love walking in here. There it goes.
Ryder, who are you riding with? And why?
Because she paid for it.
I paid for the ticket, so I get it.
Users, prepare to be digitized into the world of Tron.
Ryder, how was it?
It was very cold.
It was very cold, very cold. God, I got windblown hair. How was it, honey? So Tron was awesome as always. We usually ask for the back, but because it was taking, there was an issue with the side that we were put on, and like they were literally, it was taking like 3 times as long for our side to go, and they weren't taking anybody from our side. So I told Ryder, I'm like, we get what we get. We ended up getting the front row, which was awesome. So our next thing is we're trying to do all the rides that have overlays. So I think he wants to do Tomorrowland Speedway, and then obviously Seven Dwarfs. So we're gonna be doing Seven Dwarfs Mine Train as well.
So the Speedway is a 15-minute wait, and it just takes so much time. So we're gonna maybe come back. That's gonna be a maybe because it's just, and it looks 15 minutes.
So now we're going to Gaston's to get another cookie. We missed the one at Lunching Pad. We just forgot that that's where it was.
So this one is the frosted gingerbread cookie.
So fireworks are about to start, so we are gonna go on Seven Dwarfs Mine Train.
Hi-ho!
Hi-ho, hi-ho, it's home from work we go. Hi-ho, hi-ho.
Oh my God, it's another missile. And another one. We gotta get that.
So we came out of the, when we were finishing up the ride on Seven Dwarfs Mine Train, the fireworks started. It was awesome. So we're gonna try and see if the princesses at this time, since they're hopefully no line. So we asked, I was like, how long is the line? They were like, they're 45 minutes each. I was like, yeah, okay, no, we're not gonna see the princesses, not today.
So now we're getting the one, the pretzel, the chocolate chip one. This is the one that they've both been wanting.
Hi. So they said Moana's line is 10 to 15 minutes. So honestly, it looks like it's empty. So we're gonna go, and actually, we would have been no line. We would have just walked in if Ryder had decided to go first, because literally there's only one family in front of us.
How many here?
The other day, Cohen was talking to transformed into this to her.
He's just ready to take a picture.
So that was fun. Ryder gets so nervous with the characters. It's really cute, especially the princesses. He always just gets really nervous. He doesn't know what to say to them, or he doesn't like to look at them like in the eyes. he gets a little shy.
So now we're trying to find the opening for Tortuga Tavern to get the red velvet cookie.
What do you think of the apple cider?
Wait, that's apple cider.
Yeah, what is it? What do you think of it?
It's apple juice with a little kick.
With a little kick. There you go. Okay. So now Ryder and I are headed to Tiana's. Ray is freezing, so he's gonna skip it. So it's just gonna be Ryder and me on Tiana's for now.
10:30 and it's pretty much empty.
Are you excited?
Yes.
Yeah,
Oh, I
front
think we're
row.
going.
Front row. Oh, I'm already wet, Ryder.
Oh, no, no. Oh!
I got soaked, Ryder. I got soaked.
Thou can play. Hallelujah.
They can play. No doubt. We will ask them to join the band for sure.
Ryder, we're soaked. I'm soaked.
You're so.
He's dry. The Big Thunder is pretty much a walk on. It says 10 minutes, but it's literally just a walk on. It probably takes you 10 minutes to walk through the queue. And we of course asked for
The last row. Ryder loves the last row. What are we gonna ride?
The wildest ride in the wilderness. Big Thunder.
You ready?
Are you ready? This here's the coldest ride in the wilderness.
Yes.
Well, you're not wet.
This here's the wildest ride in the wilderness.
So we just got off of Big Thunder and it's 11:03. They're starting the parade. So we'll get to walk. Ryder wants to ride Tron again, so we're gonna head back, but we'll get to see the parade while we walk. So not ideal, but that's pretty much the only way I can get Ryder to see the parade at any of these times.
And just a reminder of Rivers of America. Because we don't have any trips planned, so I don't know if we'll get back over here. So we finally got to do the lantern photo with Ryder, so here it is. And Peter Pan is practically a walk-on. It says 15 minutes, but it's a walk-on.
Oh my goodness, we have a little princess.
How are you?
Would you all care to join us?
Sure. So we walked over here and there's like no line. So we got Tweedledee and Tweedledum. We just got Sleeping Beauty. So getting all these rare characters today. Hi, how are you?
I like the matching outfit.
Thank you. Look at the
Yeah.
And now there's practically no wait for Speedway. So now we're gonna ride the Speedway.
Oh, we got number one.
Number one. Watch out.
I'm like, that's why you're 30.
Ryder, say hi.
It's right.
Scary.
We're gonna grab one slow and ready to bust it out. Really cool. Look at that.
Oh my god.
That looks awesome.
Was really fun. It has all the lights and everything. I wouldn't wait like 15 minutes for it, but if you're passing by and it's at the end of the night and there's no line, it's definitely worth doing. It's fun. And now the only cookie stop we didn't do
Was the one at Lunching Pad, which is the red icing, I think. So that's the one we're gonna do now. So he's gonna go see Judy Hobbs.
You know I know.
So it is 11:40 and we are gonna go and finish the night
Back on Tron. He wants to ride again and we're gonna do it. It's freezing, but whatever. So they did say they're having a delay.
So we just rode Tron again. Ryder, that was our last ride of the night. It is midnight now. Ryder, which is better, the front or the back?
Back.
The back. So I like the launch at the front, but you're fast, it's slow the rest of the ride. And the back, when you're inside, is faster, but it's also visually more intense. So I like the back too. End of the night, I'm a little disheveled, but I got my castle pick.
Look how pretty Main Street is at night.
Good morning from the beach club. So obviously it is the next day. We got back to the resort like after 1. It was late. It took about over 20 minutes for the bus. We waited, like there was a long wait. We got there was a bus. We knew we weren't gonna make that one. And there was a very long wait. We were one of the first, we got on it, and then there was a bus right behind. They packed ours like sardines. We heard the bus behind, because one family got split. They said the bus behind was like empty. So, which I found kind of funny, but anyway, it was great. We found out later today that the first parade was canceled. We weren't planning on seeing Santa, but because it started raining, we ran to Storybook Circus just to get some cover, and then we're like, okay, well, we'll just go see Santa. The wait was about 40 minutes, but totally worth it. Was fantastic, and the crafts for Ryder kept him entertained, which was great. Really great time, but the first parade did get canceled and they had like a rainy day cavalcade. We saw a little bit of the second parade, but Ryder wasn't interested and he really wanted to ride Tron again. So we did most of the things we wanted to do. The big items, I wanted to see the ducks and Minnie Mouse, but we ended up seeing Santa instead, which was fine. We got to see that group, and I heard that line was pretty long, so Santa was definitely worth it. But we're headed to Jollywood Nights tonight, so stay tuned for that video. And then there will be a video where Ryder and I will discuss the pros and cons of both and which one we liked better. Maybe Ray will be in the video too. I don't know. We'll see. So with that, if you like this video, click like, click and subscribe. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. Bye everyone.